बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम क़ाल रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Welcome to Learning Math Skills with Kashif. So today's topic is Cramer's rule and it is a part of exercise 1.6. So I write down the steps what we have to do to solve the questions with the help of Cramer's rule. यानी जो important चीज़ें steps है वो मैंने यहाँ मेंशन कर दिए हैं. इन क्वेश्चंस में क्या होता है, द लीनियर क्वेश्चंस आपको दी जाती हैं एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ Cramer's rules. There are two methods in this exercise: matrix inversion method and Cramer's rule. So now we are doing these questions with the help of Cramer's rule. So let's start now. First of all, this is your linear equation form. So we have to convert this into matrix form. So let's see how we will convert. As you know, these are called coefficients. These are called coefficients and these are the variables. And we have two variables x and y. So first of all we will make a matrix of the coefficients of these variables. First we will write the coefficients of x, that is 2 and minus 3. Now we will write the coefficients of y, that is minus 2 and 2. So that matrix is complete. Now we will write a matrix of variables. What are the variables? X and y, and these are the constant. What are the constants? 4 and 6. Your first step is done. You change the linear equations into matrix form. Isme keep one thing in your mind, that the linear equation should be in this order. And it means first x variable, then y variable, and on the other side of the equation there is a constant. यानी इसमें आपने इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखना है कि आपकी जो इक्वेशन है वो इसी तरतीब से हो, x वेरिएबल, y वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट आपका इक्वेशन की दूसरी साइड पे हो. अगर इक्वेशन इस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है तो यू हैव टू अरेंज फर्स्ट. पहले आपने इसको इस तरह तरतीब देना है, उसके बाद आपने इसको मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखना है. नेक्स्ट जो है, ये काम बहुत आसान है. यू ऑलरेडी डिड दिस इन द प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज व्हेन यू फाइंड द इनवर्स. Now we have to find the determinant, then we will find ax determinant and ay. What is ax determinant and ay determinant, which I tell you later. First this is your a, this is your x, and this is your b. So let's start with a. Let a is equal to 2 3 minus 2 2. Find its determinant. A determinant is equal to 2 3 minus 2 2. So what is determinant? 2 into 2 minus 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus 6 is equal to 10. It means it's a non-singular matrix, so its solution exists. Now what is ax? Now we have to find the ax determinant. Ax determinant. First of all, what is ax? This is your a. In this step, this is the variable of, these are the variables of coefficients of x. So we will replace this column with the constant column. Look here, means, excuse me, I said instead of this column you will write constant values, means 4 and 6. Second value remains the same. Similarly, when you are going to find out ay determinant, now we will replace the coefficients of y. X values remains the same, 2 and 3, and the values of y variables replaced with the constant. As these are the determinants, so lines should be straight, not in matrix form, right? So is this clear? This is the only step in this one which is change one, कि यहाँ पे हम जो पहले x के कोफिशिएंट्स हैं a मैट्रिक्स में उसको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे कांस्टेंट के साथ, और जब ए वाई आपने मैट्रिक्स लेना है तो उसमें आपने वाई जो आपके वैल्यूज है कोफिशिएंट्स है उसको आपने रिप्लेस करना है कांस्टेंट के साथ. नाउ सिंपली यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिटर्मिनेंट्स. we old method 4 into 2 minus 2 into 6, 4 2s are 8, minus minus plus 6 2s are 12, that is equal to 20. Similarly ay 2 into 6 minus 3 into 4, 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. So now we have the values of ax determinant, ay determinant and a determinant. Now simply we will use this formula. We can find the value of x by determinant ax divided by a determinant. Means we find the value of x is equal to ax determinant over a determinant. So what is ax determinant? That is 20. And what is a determinant? That is 10. So your value of x is 2. Clear? Now value of y. Similarly ay determinant over a determinant. What is ay determinant? That is 0 over 10. So your answer is 0. So it means the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 0. So I hope you understand how to solve the linear questions with the help of matrix. So let's do another question. इससे आपकी और प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी और जो समझ है और आपकी बेहतर हो जाएगी. So let's do it now. So what is the first step? First step is that write this into matrix form. Okay. We will take the coefficients of these variables 4, 3, 2 and minus 1. And what is the second one is x and y. Matrix of variables, then matrix of constant values. Now simply this is your a, this is your x and this is your b. So let's start with a. Let a is equal to, so what is the determinant? That is 4 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2. So minus 4 and minus 3 2s are 6, that is minus 10. So now what we get here, अब हमने क्या करना है? We have to find the determinant of ax and ay. First we will make ax determinant, ax determinant. How can you make ax determinant? As we did in the previous question, we will change this column, we will change the values, the coefficients of x with the constant. So what is the values of constant? That is 8 and minus 1. These value remains the same. And in ay, what we have to do, we will change this column with the constant. These value remains the same, 4, 3 and 8 minus 1. Clear? So now it's easy for you to find the determinants of both. 8 into minus 1 minus 1 into 2. So minus 8 plus 2, that is equal to minus 6. Here we get 4 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1. Sorry, 8 3s are 3 into 8. So minus 4 and minus 24, that is equal to minus 28. So now you can find your value of x and y. X is equal to ax determinant over a determinant. What is ax? That is minus 6. And what is a determinant? That is minus 10. So minus cuts with minus, and when you simplify, that is 3 over 5. And y value is a y determinant divided by A matrix. What is the value of A? 28 over minus 10. You simplify, cut with cut, table of 2, that is 14 over 5. So this is your value of x, this is your value of 5. So I hope you understand how to solve the linear equations with the help of Cramer's rule. These are very important questions for the board point of view. ये बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन इस एक्सरसाइज में से अक्सर रिपीट होता है, अगेन एंड अगेन रिपीट होता है, और क्रैमर्स रूल का क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा दफ़ा बोर्ड में रिपीट हो चुका है. सो डू प्रैक्टिस दीज क्वेश्चंस इन एट योर होम. प्रैक्टिस के बगैर आपको क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे. खाली वीडियोस देखने से, लेक्चर लेने से, समझने से मैथ्स नहीं आता. ये बात मैं आपको हर लेक्चर में रिपीट करूँगा कि जब तक आप घर में प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे आपको मैथ नहीं आएगा. So do practice these questions. Do share learning math skills with Kashif, with your friends, with your relatives, with your colleagues. Assalamu alaikum.